So in this video, I'm going to be telling you about a new product launch that has been exploding in the marketplace because of the innovation that is creating in the real estate space. This product is known as Property Legacy by Mosaic Homes. And the concept of property legacy is two things. Number one, land banking. Number two, farming. Land banking is basically a process of you buying the bush or that location that does not have a lot of potential right now in order to keep it for the future so that you can sell it when it has massively appreciated. The perfect example is if you were privileged to buy a land in Lekki in the 1970s when Lekki was a swamp, you would have bought it for hundreds of thousands, even less, because it was a swamp. Today, those same lands are being sold for millions. Another perfect example is Transcorp Hilton. Around it in 1987, all around it was considered a bush. Today, those streets are known as Ghana streets of Maitama, the Ademola Ade Tokumbo streets of Musetu. These are the most expensive streets in the city of Abuja right now, where you can get properties going for, or plots going for hundreds of millions and even billions. So in order to be able to create such templates in the future, we picked a location that has these potentials. Right now, it might not look like so, but it has the potentials. And that location today is Karishi. And why Karishi? Karishi has the potential to explode because of, number one, the access road to Karishi currently is a very long route. You go through so many settlements like Inyanya, Kurudu, Ojikoyi, Orozo before you get to Karishi. Karishi is about a 1 hour, 30-minute journey from the city of Abuja. But a new road is created from the Apo axis that just leads to Karishi. That road is being currently constructed. The rock place has been exploded, and the road won't just be an ordinary road. The road is going to be a 4-lane road. That road coming from the Asokoro axis to the Apo roundabout, 4 lanes. One of the reasons that road was taking so much time for that project to be completed was there was a power line which was in the road. Honorable Minister Mr. Yenson Wike has taken the bold step to take away that power line in order for that road to have its right track and continue. So in the next couple of months, that road will be completed. That means from Karishi to Gariki region of Abuja will just be a 25-minute easy drive. Other major potentials around Karishi is that there are 2 universities currently in Karishi. A lot of students are already attending those universities. You have the Al Hakim Polytechnic, first of all, and you also have the Ave Maria University. Other potentials around Karishi is the known Apo Mechanic Village is moved to the next district before Karishi called Apowasa. We also have the national state government. They are working basically on a cargo airport to be able to create a mini airport around Pianko in Karishi. Karishi is also going to be a route you can use to get to national state. So rather than going through Maraba, Nyanya, and Masaka, you can go from Yokogoma, from Lube, you can go into national state. So it's going to be a confluence city with a lot of activities. Therefore, in the next couple of years, the land value will massively appreciate. So how can you benefit from this? Is by buying a plot there right now. But now, buying a plot there right now and just keeping it might not make enough of good sense. So we created this product, including farming. We now, as Mosaic Homes, we're leasing that land back from you, and we'll be able to use that land and pay you a return for leasing that land. A 10-year lease, leasing that land from you. Every single year, we're paying you between 15 to 20% of that amount. So let's take, for example, the 600 square meters. Currently, that land is going for 7 million naira. 20% of 7 million naira, about 1.4 million naira. You're going to be paid that every single year. In 5 years' time, you're cutting back the initial capital. The remaining 5 years of the lease, you're just enjoying massive profit. But the amazing thing is that the capital value of your land is still appreciated. And in 10 years' time, that value that you bought for 7 million naira could be going for, let's say, 50 million, 70 million, 80 million in the nearest future. And that will be totally massive for you. A lot of people are taking advantage of this, and they're using it for future store of value from inflation. A lot of people are using it as an education trust fund for their kids. So by the time their kids are ready to go to university, they sell off the plots that they buy. People are buying 5, 10, 15, and by the time you sell it off, you have a lot of millions to send your kids to that school, and the money has appreciated. But prior to that point, you have been earning money on it on a consistent basis. This is truly phenomenal, and this is a plan that we want to do. Click on the link to Get every detail that can get you started ASAP. Take advantage of this promo before it comes to the end. See you.